In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, strong HR leadership is one of the most powerful drivers of organizational growth. The Chief Human Resource Officer and HR Leadership Program from IIM Rohtak is designed for professionals who want to build strategic HR capabilities and step confidently into senior leadership roles. If you have 5 to 10 years of experience, this program helps you strengthen your decision making, stakeholder coordination, policy design, and people management skills. Professionals in this stage typically see a salary growth of around 30 to 35% as they transition into roles such as HR manager, talent lead, or strategic HR business partner. For professionals with 10 years of experience or more, the program enhances your ability to lead organizational transformation. You will advance your knowledge in governance, financial structuring, risk management, workforce analytics, and long-term strategic planning. Learners at this level often experience salary growth of 40% or more as they move toward roles like Senior HR Leader, CHRO, Head of People Strategy, or Organizational Development Lead. What makes this program so valuable is the depth of expertise it delivers. You build capabilities in project documentation, feasibility studies, budgeting, execution planning, talent strategy, technology adoption, cost optimization, and advanced decision making. These skills enable HR professionals to drive culture, align people's strategy with business goals, and lead complex organizational initiatives with a clear vision. This program empowers you to elevate your career, expand your leadership presence, and position yourself for long-term success in the HR domain. Let this be the step that helps you grow into the kind of HR leader every modern organization needs. Welcome to Module 1 of the Chief Human Resource Officer and HR Leadership Program from IIM Rohtak. This module sets the stage for understanding how the role of HR leadership has transformed in today's digital and people-centric business world. Modern organizations are shifting rapidly, and HR leaders are expected to evolve from policy custodians to strategic partners who drive growth, resilience, and innovation. In this module, you will learn how the CHRO role has expanded beyond traditional HR boundaries to influence enterprise-level decisions. We begin by exploring how people's strategy must be aligned with digital transformation. You will understand how technology, data, and automation shape workforce behavior, capability building, and organizational culture, and why HR must guide this shift. Next, we discuss enterprise leadership and how CHROs contribute directly to business strategy, not just talent strategy. You will explore how HR leaders become central to shaping organizational agility, cross-functional partnerships, and long-term competitiveness. We then move into workforce agility and organizational resilience. You will learn how HR can build adaptable teams, redesign roles, support continuous learning, and create a culture that thrives in uncertainty. This module also covers DABE as a core business strategy. You will understand how inclusion drives performance, innovation, and talent retention across industries. In this module, we focus on one of the most critical responsibilities of modern HR leadership, ensuring that people systems, processes, and workplace culture are aligned, compliant, and strategically effective. We begin by exploring the HR audit process. You will learn how HR audits help organizations evaluate their current practices, identify risks, and ensure that employee administration, documentation, and workflows meet legal and organizational standards. This includes understanding statutory compliance, data accuracy, HR records, payroll processes, and internal controls. By mastering these areas, HR leaders are able to create robust systems that build trust and protect the organization. Next, we shift to data management and HR valuation. You will understand how to assess the financial value of HR initiatives, calculate the ROI of people practices and present HR as a measurable business function. This helps CHROs influence boardroom conversations with clear data and strategic clarity. This module also strengthens your leadership capabilities through emotional intelligence and empathetic leadership. You will learn how to manage teams, navigate difficult conversations, build psychological safety, and guide people through organizational challenges with confidence and compassion. By the end of this module, you will understand how strong HR governance, compliance strength, and emotionally intelligent leadership come together to create a people function that is strategic, credible, and future ready. Welcome to Module 1 of the Chief Human Resource Officer and HR Leadership Program from IIM Rohtak. This module sets the stage for understanding how the role of HR leadership has transformed in today's digital and people-centric business world. Modern organizations are shifting rapidly, and HR leaders are expected to evolve from policy custodians to strategic partners who drive growth, resilience, and innovation. In this module, you will learn how the CHRO role has expanded beyond traditional HR boundaries to influence enterprise-level decisions. We begin by exploring how people's strategy must be aligned with digital transformation. You will understand how technology, data, and automation shape workforce behavior, capability building, and organizational culture, and why HR must guide this shift. Next, we discuss enterprise leadership and how CHROs contribute directly to business strategy, not just talent strategy. You will explore how HR leaders become central to shaping organizational agility, cross-functional partnerships, and long-term competitiveness. We then move into workforce agility and organizational resilience. You will learn how HR can build adaptable teams, redesign roles, support continuous learning, and create a culture that thrives in uncertainty. This module also covers DABE as a core business strategy. You will understand how inclusion drives performance, innovation, and talent retention across industries. In this module, you will explore the design of organizations for agility and strategic alignment. You will learn how to structure teams, reporting lines, and workflows that enable the business to respond quickly to change and market demands. Organizational culture will be examined as a strategic asset, including the development of micro and digital cultures that reinforce company values. You will be introduced to change management frameworks like KOTA, ADKAR, and Bridges to guide transformation initiatives effectively. Communication and sponsorship models will help you secure buy-in from stakeholders at all levels. Practical applications include mapping cultural shifts, aligning teams with business objectives, and implementing structures that foster accountability and performance. By the end of this module, you will have the tools to design organization structures that drive performance, build resilient cultures, and lead people's strategies that deliver measurable business impact. This module equips HR leaders with the essential knowledge of business functions beyond HR. You will develop fluency in finance, learning how to interpret P&L statements, calculate ROI, and conduct cost-benefit analysis. In marketing, you will understand customer centricity, positioning, and value creation, while in operations you will explore process efficiency, capacity planning, and supply chain fundamentals. The focus is on enabling HR professionals to speak the language of the business and participate in strategic decision-making with confidence. You will learn to bridge functional gaps, collaborate effectively with other departments, and provide insights that directly contribute to organizational growth. By the end of this module, you will possess cross-functional business fluency, empowering you to align HR initiatives with broader business objectives and reinforce HR as a strategic partner in enterprise decision-making. In this module, you will dive into advanced HR analytics and workforce intelligence. You will explore descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics to understand workforce trends, anticipate challenges, and drive informed decision making. Decision dashboards and data visualizations will help you monitor performance, track goals, and communicate insights effectively. You will also examine turnover trends across departments, grades, and tenure, enabling proactive retention strategies. Performance management systems and goal alignment practices are emphasized to ensure workforce productivity and engagement. By the end of this module, you will be able to leverage analytics to optimize HR strategies, enhance workforce performance, and create measurable value for your organization, positioning HR as a data-driven strategic function. In this module, you will explore how AI and machine learning are transforming HR operations. You will learn about recruitment automation, talent assessment, personalized learning pathways, and workforce planning powered by AI. Sentiment analysis tools will provide insights into employee engagement and culture. The module also covers vendor selection for AI solutions, piloting initiatives, scaling, and integrating these technologies with existing HRIS systems. Ethical considerations, bias mitigation, and risk management are emphasized to ensure responsible implementation. By the end of this module, you will be equipped to leverage AI and machine learning to streamline HR processes, make strategic workforce decisions, and deliver enhanced business outcomes while maintaining ethical governance standards. In this module, you will focus on measuring and managing HR effectiveness through advanced metrics and dashboards. You will work with strategic frameworks such as McKinsey 7S and Deloitte's organizational models to guide workforce planning, assess turnover, and monitor diversity and inclusion metrics. You will also learn to design KPI dashboards and scorecards for recruitment, learning and development, and other HR initiatives. The practical application of these tools enables real-time monitoring, informed decision-making, and effective communication with leadership. By the end of this module, you will have the ability to create measurable HR frameworks, track performance, and optimize workforce outcomes, reinforcing HR's role as a strategic enabler of organizational success. In this module, you will explore the skills required to lead in a digitally transformed world. You will learn about future-ready skills, human-technology collaboration, and virtual team leadership. Adaptive learning and digital ecosystems will be emphasized to support employee growth and engagement. The module also covers succession planning, agile talent pools, hybrid work models, digital well-being, and employee platforms. You will develop the ability to guide organizations through technology-driven change while ensuring engagement, productivity, and cultural alignment. By the end of this module, you will be prepared to lead digital transformation as a CHRO, implement strategies for workforce agility, and create a resilient, high-performing organization capable of thriving in the evolving business landscape. In this module, you will explore how technology is transforming HR and organizational operations. Modern HR relies on a strong tech stack, including HRIS, analytics platforms, and talent management systems to make faster, data-driven decisions. You will learn how operating models are being redesigned with centers of excellence, shared services, and a balance between centralized and decentralized HR functions. We will also explore how outsourcing and partnerships with technology providers can extend capabilities and improve efficiency. This module emphasizes building digital HR capabilities that enhance workforce agility and responsiveness. By the end, you will understand how to leverage technology and innovative operating models to drive organizational performance and position HR as a strategic business partner. This module focuses on governance, ethics, and responsible leadership in HR. You will explore how to establish HR ethics boards and frameworks for AI and HR tech governance, ensuring fair and compliant people practices. Emphasis is placed on transparency, accountability, and promoting employee voice to foster trust across the organization. You will also examine policies and practices that reduce risk, enhance compliance, and uphold ethical standards in HR operations. Through real-world examples, you will see how responsible HR practices support organizational sustainability, build employee confidence, and reinforce corporate values. By the end of this module, you will be able to design and implement governance structures that balance innovation with ethical and responsible people management. In this module, you will explore the principles of gamification and its relevance to modern HR. Gamified systems can improve employee engagement, motivation, and performance in areas such as hiring, onboarding, training, and continuous development. You will learn how organizations apply gamification to recruitment, learning programs, and employee recognition, aligning individual behavior with business objectives. The module includes practical examples demonstrating measurable outcomes, such as higher training completion rates, increased participation in wellness programs, and enhanced productivity. You will also understand how to design gamified solutions that foster collaboration, healthy competition, and skill development. By the end, you will be equipped to implement gamification strategies that enhance engagement, drive performance, and make HR processes more interactive and results-driven. This module teaches how to implement an HR-balanced scorecard to connect HR initiatives directly with organizational strategy. You will explore the 4 key perspectives: learning and growth, customer outcomes, business processes, and financial results. The module covers KPI identification, scorecard design, and methods to track and measure HR performance against organizational goals. You will learn to use scorecards to monitor recruitment, learning and development, performance management, and employee engagement metrics. Through practical examples, you will see how the balanced scorecard provides insights to improve HR decision-making and align human capital strategy with business objectives. By the end, you will have the knowledge to implement a robust HR scorecard that drives measurable impact, informs leadership decisions, and supports sustainable organizational growth. This module focuses on using advanced analytics to enhance strategic HR decision-making. You will explore techniques for analyzing workforce data, including country-level turnover trends, predictive modeling for performance and retention, and identifying high-risk employees. You will also learn to assess the financial implications of HR decisions and generate actionable reports for leadership. Emphasis is placed on turning data insights into practical strategies that improve workforce productivity, optimize talent allocation, and enhance retention. Real-world case studies will show how analytics supports succession planning, cost management, and strategic workforce initiatives. By the end of this module, you will be able to leverage advanced analytics to drive informed, data-based HR strategies and improve overall organizational performance. In this module, you will learn to design and lead an HR analytics function within your organization. The module covers team structures, stakeholder engagement, and building a culture of data-driven decision-making. You will explore strategies to scale analytics capabilities efficiently, including working with consultants, external coaches, and internal champions. Emphasis is placed on integrating analytics into daily HR operations, from performance measurement to workforce planning, enabling better insight into employee trends and business outcomes. Practical examples illustrate how analytics units improve decision-making, track HR effectiveness, and inform strategic planning. By the end, You will be able to establish a fully functional HR analytics unit that delivers measurable value and strengthens HR's strategic contribution. In this module, you will explore the critical connection between leadership, strategic thinking, and organizational performance. You will learn to apply competency frameworks to assess and develop leadership capabilities and understand different leadership styles that drive motivation, engagement, and high-performing teams. The module emphasizes translating strategic insights into actionable initiatives from industry-level analysis to corporate value chain assessment. You will also examine how leaders can influence organizational culture, align teams with business goals, and navigate complex change scenarios. Through real-world examples, you will see how effective leadership improves decision-making, resource allocation, and overall strategic execution. By the end of this module, you will be equipped to lead confidently, drive business strategy, and foster an environment that promotes innovation, agility, and sustainable growth. This module prepares you to navigate the complexities of human resource management in a global environment. You will learn about HR strategies for turnaround management, expatriation and repatriation, and managing global production chains. The module covers cross-cultural intelligence, managing diverse international teams, and adapting HR practices to legal, socio-cultural, and economic differences across countries. You will also explore the CHRO's role in mergers and acquisitions, aligning global workforce strategies with business objectives and ensuring compliance while promoting employee engagement. Practical examples illustrate challenges such as talent retention across borders, virtual team management, and aligning local practices with global HR policies. By the end, you will be capable of developing and implementing global HR strategies that optimize workforce performance, drive organizational growth, and position your company competitively on the international stage.